Hey guys, it's Nick. Welcome back to my channel. How are you guys doing today? I'm going to do another review today of just some items I've been getting good deals at local places. I got this deal at Walmart for a little over $30. I think it was $34, $35 maybe. And it is an Anker Bluetooth slim design keyboard that you could use on an iPad, a laptop with a broken keypad maybe. I don't know, maybe you could do that. I use it for my all-on-one gateway that I got at Walmart for I think $3.99. I don't know. There's deals going on right now, guys. It's amazing. But anyways, this is how slim it is. As you can see, slim design. And you can use this keyboard on just about any. I think about anything really. I did hook it up to my iPad and it worked fine. The Mac products and it's working fine on this gateway. And I'm sure it could work on a lot of computers if you wanted a slim design Bluetooth wireless keypad. Now, one thing I will mention on this Anker, it's got a burn mark on it. I smoke here on my desk. But it's a one thing I will mention on the setup when you get it. It won't to set it up. You have to hit FN and this Bluetooth, and it'll start flashing blue. And make sure you got this switch to on the back and the battery in place, and then it should connect right up. And I would give this keyboard 10 out of 10. I've dropped it. The batteries fly out, and it's just so easy. You can just fit it in the palm of your hand, and it's amazing the technology that's out these days. I mean, just look how amazing this little keyboard is. And you can go get it at Walmart for I think under $35. But I just want to do a quick review. I give it 10 out of 10. And y'all have a good day and be blessed. Go pick one up. Subscribe, comment, like my channel. I'm new at all this, and I'm just trying to make my way and hopefully get some good products to review. I'm not trying to make money. I just like good quality products, So if anybody has any products they want me to review, send them my way and I will hook you up. Talk to you later. Bye.